Archie, and today we are going to watch the Ohio State University Marching Band for Michael Jackson tribute. And like talking about the legend Michael Jackson, like till date, he was the one everyone remembers, and what a dance and what a performance he had. Like I watched his previous past videos, and literally the way he looked, the way he danced was absolutely mesmerizing. And like right now, like till date, people still copies his style.
Yeah, definitely. And this is the truth that nobody can be like
Yeah.
Michael Jackson. Like he was the star, and like he was so talented. And recently, like one of his movie was
Movies.
also released. Like we still want to see
Yeah.
that. We are like can't wait to watch that movie as well. But I've heard a lot of songs of Michael Jackson, and I know this one backstory of him that his father used to torture him for the
Oh
because
my
he used
God.
to not maybe perform well because so that he could perform even better and he could get better in his work. I think so he had a very painful childhood, but later on he became the biggest star in this world. I think so nobody's like that. Okay, who don't know like who's Michael Jackson, nobody can say that. So we are going to watch the whole marching band of
Yes.
Michael Jackson. So let's watch this video.
Ohio State University.
Ohio Stadium with the pride of the Buckeyes.
Wow. Huge stadium, man. Like lots of people in red.
It's so big actually.
Okay, it's starting.
An American singer-songwriter, cancer, businessman, and philanthropist.
Whoa.
Recognized as the most successful entertainer of all. Most known as the King of Pop.
Everybody walks in.
University marching band.
Wow.
Celebrates the 25th anniversary of the landmark album, Bad.
It's about to start.
Although he's left us, his music is still bad. Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Wow. Oh
The
wow.
formation. Oh.
Michael Jackson was perfectionist.
Is it like an M and a J?
Yes, MJ.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. This looks so like
Wow.
amazing. Proper way they are
Like
going.
people are making the shapes, it's not
Yeah.
like made from like the technology or something.
People, yeah. Yeah, now
Wow.
usually we see drones doing this, but
Yeah, actually.
people. Wow, man. Oh. It's like I'm like just looking at like a lot of ants moving here and there from above.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Are they writing
Bad.
something bad? Wow.
Is it a song of him or what? Oh wow. Oh, there's this guy
In the front.
white. Yeah.
Oh, he's
some-
jumping.
performing something with a sword.
Oh.
I'm so shocked to see the crowd.
Exactly.
Like so many people out there.
Amazing.
Oh wow.
It was amazing.
Amazing. Like from the ground it's very tough to make the shapes. Like
Shapes.
you cannot have like that satellite view.
Yeah.
So like when you're performing you have to be so careful.
Very much. Because even if one person is here and there, the
Yeah.
formation goes wrong.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh wow, this is so
The
good.
sink. The legs are
Wow.
just.
The white shoes are so like highlighting them.
Yeah. You know what I'm looking at? I'm feeling I'm looking at headless people. I can't see their heads.
Yeah. Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Oh, the hand. Oh.
The
Woo.
moonwalk.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. He's
Oh,
going
yeah,
to
the-
bend now.
the
Yeah, the
tilt.
knees. Yes.
Wow.
Woo.
Now the cap.
Wow,
Now the cap.
damn. Yes.
The
Woo. This is so cool.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
Now the moonwalk.
Woo!
Wow.
Oh my god, you saw
This
that
is
second leg?
Crazy.
Woo!
The moonwalk of the legendary Michael Jackson.
I can't do the moonwalk on my own legs.
No,
And look how
look
many
at
people are
them.
doing it.
Wow.
Wow. Crazy. This is crazy.
Actually, this needs so much of lot of practice.
And yeah, hand placement is so perfect.
Yeah.
Wow.
How did they do it? Wow. Wow, this is
This
so,
is so
fun.
fun.
Oh, is he now doing a split?
Yeah, looks like. Wow.
Oh, yes.
Woo! This is crazy, yaar.
Wow.
Wow. The legend, Michael Jackson. Woo! Wow, guys.
Amazing.
Superb.
Wow.
Accountable watchers, led by the common, for Man the Moon.
Wow.
Oh, we have some more on the plate. Okay, now. Oh. What is it? I'm not able to guess it. Like,
It looks like some logo.
yeah.
Oh, some red people are joining them.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Like, what is it?
Whoa.
Is it like something related to Ohio? Oh, there come some other more people.
Yeah.
It's a star.
Star, yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting goosebumps.
Wow.
Wow.
The star.
Wow.
The legend.
Michael Jackson.
Whoa.
Wow. He was a star.
Literally.
You know, there is this conspiracy theory that some
I
people do
was
believe
just about to say that
that he's
still
alive. Yeah. Ooh. Wow. He is a star.
Magic. Wow. What a amazing performance it was, and I would like to really appreciate all of the people. Like, I know how much practice do this need, because we are looking at from like a distance place, and they are on the ground. They don't even know that what is actually happening and what are we able to see. But mean, hats off, how did they just outperform it? And also the steps, the famous, like the hook steps, the split one and the one on the cap, they were all literally amazing, man.
This was so good, and definitely it requires a lot of hard work. And I have like never ever seen a tribute like this. I've
Yeah.
seen people singing his songs as like cover songs. I've seen people playing on guitar, but oh my god, this was like something very different. Like they are just presenting him on a global level, that how great he
Yes.
was. And in the end, like between the stars, there he says, like there he stands, and we are like quite overwhelmed seeing after this, because you know
Yeah.
we don't know much about Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson was one of the greatest artists, only I've heard this thing, and we still want to watch that movie as well. But this tribute was so good.
Exactly. We literally loved it very much. So let me know what do you guys think about this video in our comment sections below. So like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye.